morning, everybody. So we are going to go to some parks and go to Starbucks. It's my mom's birthday and Memorial Day, so this is going to be a really fun vlog. I got my coffee this morning and we are all ready to go. We just got back from going to town and now we're just gonna finish up some jobs, and then later we have friends coming over for a party. So much for watching this video. I'm so sorry it was short, but I didn't really do much, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.